Again? So soon! That's right, it's that time! Surprise package time, surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know, but I ordered a long time ago. Look, an official sticker! Ooh, I feel very official. Actually, I feel slightly drunk, but I feel really drunk. I don't care, I'm gonna plow ahead of this anyways, because, who cares? This is not really an official YouTube channel, and I don't get any money for this. Keep that in mind whenever you see people that are like, oh, check the affiliate links. If you're checking the affiliate links, somebody's making money. If they're like, oh, I was sent this for free, well, then they kind of feel inclined to bullshit people into thinking that something's better than what it is. I am under no such obligations because I paid for this stuff myself. Mr. Affiliate Links. Mr. and Mrs. Affiliate Links. No affiliate links here. Straight shooter, man. I'm telling you what I did. What I did was spend money I shouldn't have, usually on junk I don't need. And that is what you're tuning into right now. The straight shooting, hard hitting facts of somebody who isn't on a take. Seriously, I will totally sell out. I don't care. At the moment, though, I have not managed to sell out because nobody has been asking me if I want to sell out. Okay, that aside, let's see what the hell this is. A cable. Did I order a giant cable? I could have. Oh, look. A remote. Something's in here, and I can control whatever it is. Looks like a cable. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember. I am not so drunk I cannot remember this. This is a crazy LED loop. Like, this is a string of, I believe, individually addressable LEDs. You know, multicolor, 24 million color LED, rainbow, blah, blah, blahs. And a remote control to control them. I actually might be able to figure out this remote control. Unlike the remote control for that clock you might have seen the other day, which was just a bunch of blank buttons. These make sense. RGB. White. The hell is that? Zoom? Zor? Oh no, it's 27,000 Kelvin, which I guess is a color. What on earth does that mean? I have no idea what Kelvin is. But let's see. Well, and the battery might be dead because there's no little tab here to pull out, which means the battery's been on the entire time it's been shipped. Well, let's find out if this works, and that works, and everything works in just 1 minute. Okay, hold with me now. Okay, ignore all the dust and the echoes. I've set this up in the bathroom. Mostly because the bathroom seems like a pretty good place to set this up, and also because, again, I've been drinking, and I might want to throw up in the toilet later. Okay, let's see if any of these buttons work. I hope one of them works, because there's no controls on this thing. Oh my god. This doesn't have an on and off button, and this controller is dead. Oh, well, it might help that there is no battery installed. Okay, I'm pausing the video yet again in this lovely echo chamber. Man, focus is not working at all. Okay, I'm gonna go find a battery. I think I have a ton of these little I don't know, whatever they're called, batteries. Be right back. Check this out. Proof that I am, in fact, as dumb as I look. There is actually controllers on the cord for setting this thing up. Okay, I found the proper battery for this thing right here. Turns out it's, let's see, this one. It's one of these 2016, battery, or hearing aid batteries. So I can make this work now. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, now activating the ring of power. I think. There we go. Did it. Success. Let's see. Ooh. Shit, look at that. Oh, that's sweet. Is it going to do that again? It's not doing that again. Oh, let's get M buttons. A little M over here. Ooh, I like that. Like, I think the idea is you place this up against the wall, and it like... You check that out, man? It's like a yin-yang symbol over there. I like it. I like it a lot. Ignore all of the junk over here. Don't look at all the crap under my sink. All right, what other buttons we got on here? Let's see. M plus. Well, that one doesn't look like it's moving at all. Your colors? There's that yin-yang symbol. I like that. That is sweet. Fly. Too fly for a white guy. Oh, dramatic. Okay, it doesn't look this dark blue in person, but it's actually got a really nice shine to it. Let's see, what else we got here? Oh, that's cool. Again, the colors are way more saturated on the camera than they do in person. In person, this is more of a lighter shade, more pastels. Well, that's kind of interesting. I don't know what to make of that. What else have we got? Yeah, it's like 3 blobs of light. You can see 3 things kind of circling each other. It's kind of cool. What have we got? Different colors. Oh, now you can really see the 3 blobs of light circling each other. It's like a 3-pronged yin-yang thing. I like it a lot. This is what upsold me. Well, that and the fact this costs less than $20. So, well, I think it costs less than $20. Whatever it cost, it didn't cost a whole lot because I was like, cha-ching, take my money, please. And threw it at them so quick in a blink of an eye. You would have thought I was allergic to money and was trying to get rid of it as quickly as possible. Which is the reason why I'm always broke. Please give me money. I shouldn't say that. There's literally only like one person who actually watches any of these videos. I don't want to steal his money. What on earth is that? Okay, that hurts my brain. Oh my god, why? Why is there a mode that just flashes a white light? That is fucked up. That is so ugly. Well, that's not bad. It's one color. Another one color. Another one color. I kind of like the ones where the color just chases each other. Oh, Christ, not the flashing again. Stop flashing. Oh, you're hurting my brain. You're hurting my brain. Oh, God, it's flashing even more. Stop. Oh, my God. Okay. Okay. I don't think it's just because I'm slightly inebriated. Literally, why on earth would anyone want strobe lights? Unless you just hate yourself and like to be miserable. Oh, that's neat. Check that out. One color absorbs another color. Well, that's pretty cool, right? This is not terribly expensive, and I think you could stash it behind a television or something and just enjoy the light reflecting in the background. As it slowly transitions through various things. There are also versions of this where they put objects, little figurines and statues, like the Monkey King and various other mythical figures, all from China, because this is from China. You're not going to find a whole lot of, you're not going to find Jesus hanging out in the center of this. But you will find the Monkey King. You'll find a couple of gods you've probably never heard of before. And really cool, mountains and some kind of like bonsai tree versions of this. So poke around. And if you want just the plain version, this is actually the cheapest of the lot. So this is not entirely a waste of money. I kind of like it. Look at that. That is sweet. All right. Thus ends another exciting episode of Surprise Package Time! Echoing in my bathroom! Echo, 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 echo.